Good morning, students. Today we learn English from English textbook, chapter 6. The name The Beanstalk. The Beanstalk. The Beanstalk means this is a poem. The Beanstalk is a poem. It's written by the Edna St. Vincent Millay. Edna St. Vincent Millay. This is a what we tell this. This is inspired by the classic fairy tale Jack and Beanstalk. Jack and Beanstalk. This is a story. Before going to the poem, I want to tell you this is inspired by a story. Once a poor in a village, a poor lady and a son and mother living in a village. They have a cow which gives milk, and with that they were living. But when the cow is not giving the milk, then mother told to the son, you sell this cow to someone or go to the market and sell the cow and take the money and come back to home. Then while he take the cow and going to the house, going to the market, on the road he met an old man. He met an old man. The old man tells him, now I give you magic beans. Magic beans. You take these magic beans and give me the cow. The old man tells to this boy. Then boy, by he said magic beans, by happily he accept the magic beans and he give cow to that old man. Then he will take the magic beans and come home. Then mother asks, where is the money? Where did you sell? How much money you will sell the cow? Then he will show to the mother this magic beans. Then mother got angry and this magic beans, she will throw the magic beans through window. Then this boy crying and he will go to sleep. Then early morning when he get up, suddenly he go to the garden and see this magic beans where it has gone. When he went out to see, this magic beans already climbed like it is become like a tree like this. It became like a tree to the sky. Then he by seeing that he was happy and he started to climb that magic beans tree. Magic beans tree. Okay, magic beans. Now here is stalk means this is the stalk. Stalk means the stem of a bean plant. This is the stalk. This is a stalk. So now here we are going to learn about the beanstalk. The beanstalk means where the beans were thrown, the stalk grown up. So we are learning about this story. Do you understand? Now you see here. Page number 49. This is a poem. This is a poem written by Edna St. Vincent Millay. Edna St. Vincent Millay, written by this poem. This is a poem. Now we read this poem and explain the poem. Now, oh, giant, this is I. I have built me a beanstalk into your sky. La, but it's lovely up so high. Then I already told he started to climb the stalk. He started to climb the stalk, beanstalk, and he climbed. He entered at the edge and he saw that side of the sky he saw some a shed. Then he went down that side and entered in that shed. When he entered in this that shed, there is a giant. There is a giant. This how I came. I put here my knee, there my foot, up and up, from shoot to shoot, and the blessed beanstalk thinny. Then the giant is asking how you climbed this and came this side. Came this side. Then he is telling, I kept my feet here and there. I climbed that bean and came this side. Like the mischief all the time, till it took me rocking, spinning in a dizzy sunny circle, making angels with the root far and out above the calculus. And then he is thinking in the sun, in the spinning, in the roaring, in the sounds, everything I am not fear, but angels led me to climb this wind. Of the city I was born in, till the little dirty city, in the light so sheer and sunny. Sheer means a young branch. Sheer means very fine. Shone as dazzling, bright and pretty, as the money that you find in a dream of finding money. What a wind, what a morning, till the tiny, shiny city. When I shoot a glance below, shaken with a giddy laughter, sick and blissfully afraid, was dewdrop on a blade, and a fire of moments after was whirling guess I made, and the wind was like a whip. Then he climbed. When he was climbing, he has faced many problems: winds, breeze, then sound, thunder. Everything was then dirty to climb some areas. Everything he was faced the problems by climbing. Then cracking past my icy ears, and my head stood out behind, and my eyes were full of tears, wide open and cold. In the cold, my eyes also become, my eyes filled with tears, and my ears also icy means because of cool it became icy. More tears than they could hold. The wind was blowing so, and my teeth were in row, dry and grinding. And I felt my foot slip, and I scratched the wind and wind, and I clutched the stalk and jabbered, with my eyes shut blind. What a wind, what a wind! Your broke sky giant is the shelf of a cupboard. I make beanstalk, I am a builder like yourself. But beanstalk is my trade. I could not make a shelf, do not know how they are made. Now a beanstalk is more plain, low, what a climb. Then he climbed the beanstalk and he went that side. I already told. Here, when he climbed and he went, he saw a shed. He entered in that. Then when he entered there, he saw a lady. First, he saw a lady. That lady was a giant's wife. That lady was a giant's wife. Then while seeing him, this lady told him from where he come, how he came like this. Then he's explained to her all these things, how he climbed the tree, that how he faced the problems to climb the tree. All this explained to her, explained to her all these things. Then she told to that boy, you go and hide somewhere, because my husband comes now, he will eat you also, so you go and hide somewhere. Then this boy, he will hide. Then when the giant comes, he understand that some human sign is there, human is in my house, some humans are in my house. Then he feel the smell of the human, and he asked to his wife, somebody is here, I get the human smell. Then she told, no, nothing is there. Then she will take the food and give to him. Then he will eat the food. Then with him a hen is there. With him a hen is there. Hen. That hen gives him a golden coins. That hen gives him a golden coins. So then he will eat. The giant eats happily and sleep there. The hen is behind him. Then this boy is watching everything from a hiding place. Then he saw that this boy saw that hen. When he slept, he went and he take the hen and he ran away. He take the hen and he ran away. He ran and he climbed the beanstalk and come this side, his house. And then he come to his house. Then by seeing this, the giant and all the workers all come to catch him. When he comes, the giant also started to climb, he come and he cut the beanstalk. So he cannot climb the and come to his house to take the hen. This is the story. So now this poem is explaining everything, how he faced the problems to climb the tree. That is the main important thing here. I think you all are understand the story of this, or story of the, or summary of this poem. Summary of this poem. This is the summary of the poem. Now here you see Edna St. Vincent Millay, 1892 to 1950, was an American poetess and a playwright born in Maine. She first received recognized for her poem. Then she is a lady. She is a lady. Poetess means a lady. So this is the story or summary of this poem. I think you all of you understand these things. Then here reference to the context, answer these questions. Page number 51. Then appreciation questions that I will give you. You can write in your notebooks.